It has been a while since I've installed VMware. So in the previous video, which is number 4307, we installed Carli 12, changed it from Cinnamon to Plasma. And I was talking about virtual boxes, that there are sandboxes, nothing more, and real metal is always preferred. And VMware is one of the other things that can be used. And as you know, we have this ArcoLinux Nemesis project, let's call it, or folder, or whatever, right, on github.com/eric_ArcoLinux Nemesis. I keep my script here to install all kinds of things after ArcoLinux installation, and also remove all kinds of things that I don't want. And also when I'm on something else, like Archbang or Archcraft or any of the other guys, I stay in control, remove things. Now in here, in the AWAR folder, is also stuff that I from time to time visit and then use it to install, reinstall, and make changes. And here is an install Vmware Workstation. There is an install QEMU. And from time to time I see if it's still working, basically my script. So install VMware Workstation is a script that I've made, well, I don't know, doesn't matter, some time ago. When, doesn't matter. And voila, so it seems I've put a lot of things here in gray, so all of this is not used. Linux headers, it's okay, I've got that already. Okay, VMware Workstation is the application. It's going to install that one. And then it does do something here. Systemctl, enable VMworks network service and start, and then it says reboot now. So we'll have to reboot for the next video to try it out. But the thing is, right, you learn something via any means necessary. I mean, there is ChatGPT, there is YouTube, there are articles, and then you put something into a file, because next time around you don't want to study it all, right? You a year later you just want to get it done, right? Get the work done and have it, and that's it. So yes, we write things down. Once everything is figured out, you put it online and it's safe on GitHub, and there it is, and you can grab it. Let's see if I can do this without rebooting. They do say reboot, right? Super D, VMware. I have this VMware player, VMware Workstation. Let's see if it will work. They want to give, I need to ask a license key. Of course, I don't have one. So yes, for personal use. Let's see if that works. If we can get past everything, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. And then create a new virtual machine. Typical recommended thing or custom advanced thing, right? Let's see what this helps. Does use ISO. I just made a new Carli. Always fun to try things out. And my what if was, what if I change Cinnamon into Plasma? So this one is yesterday and this was today. So video 4307 is Plasma, and 4306 so was Cinnamon, right? It's just telling Arch what to take from the Lego blocks. So this one, let's try the new guy, Plasma. Could not detect him, etc. Okay, let's see if we can go on. Then Linux, Ubuntu, sure. I think we have Arch at the top, I don't know. Let's see. The A from ArcoLinux, always at the top. I don't see anything about Arch. So take a look at all the others. So download the others, have a look at it, and learn. Fedora is here. Lots of things to study up. Turbo Linux, Ubuntu. So let's take this one. Other Linux 6.x. Wow, kernel 64-bit. It's still a bit early here. Trying to learn to speak again. Okay, voila. So this is Carli. And now it's gonna go in this location. Sure. Go and have fun. This is not a lot, right? Don't know why they put it that low. So 30. split virtual or single file, you choose. Next, I do need to customize hardware. I think I see 2 CPU cores. That's a bit low. Alt-T, right? Delete, then trash the thing we're seeing now. This is my PC. So this is Control-Alt End, and it will give me an overview of everything I'm doing here, memory and disk, etc. But I have 6 cores, right? So I'll take 3 here. I am in doubt, but 2 number of cores per processor. Not sure actually what I should put in here now. Let's see again. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, see 7 it says here. So it's 8 then, I guess. 8 is 4, 4. I think we should go for 4. All right. Older PC, this one. Oh yeah. Let's see how old it is. How old? Let's see what he finds. That's not nice. So that's no longer working. It's a little script for us to find out how old the machine is. For some reason it stops at network interfaces. We'll visit again, maybe it will continue. So processor, I think we should put 1, 2, 4, I don't know, is it 4? Number of cores, total processors cores, we'll see. Memory, and then up here to 8, I think it was 16. Memory 16, yeah, so 8 is good. 50-50, right, that's the idea. All the rest it will do. Oh, how about the EFI? Did we tell him what we want? I don't see that. Close. Let's see. Finish. And still use that one. Yeah. Close. I guess we need to reboot for this guy. Voila. So now we know we need to actually reboot, but I'm gonna go and check the options. That's what I wanted to look at. The options in here. Just want to know, is it UEFI or not? And it's always somewhere else, right? Voila, that's the one. Firmware type, changing firmware might cause an BIOS is the old system, and well, it makes sense to find the new one, since all the PCs that you buy these days are probably gonna be the new one. So the video is gonna be cut in 2. We're gonna reboot, and we'll see in the next video.